Good morning. Today we are working on workbook pages 45 and 46. So go ahead and get that open with a pen or a pencil. Okay, on question 45, it says the surface area of a cube can be found by using the formula 6s squared, where s represents the length of the side of a cube. The surface area of a cube that has a side length of 3 meters is blank meters squared. So all you're doing is plugging in 3. So 6s squared means 6 times s squared. So you can write it as 6 times 3 squared. So first you do 3 squared, and then you multiply it by 6. Question number 2. It says choose the number that makes the sentence true. The volume equals s cubed, or s to the third power, gives the volume v of a cube whose side length is s. The volume of a cube whose side length is 8 is what? So you need to take 8 and cube it. So 8 times 8 times 8. Multiply that out. Question number 3. Liang is ordering new chairs and cushions for his dining room table. A new chair cost $88 and a new cushion cost $12. The shipping costs $34. The expression 88C plus 12C plus 34 gives the total cost of buying C sets of chairs. Simplify the expression by combining like terms. Remember, like terms mean they have to have the same variable or they have to be the same plain number without a variable. So for example, in this expression, 88C and 12C and 34, 88C and 12C are my like terms, so I'm going to combine those. I cannot combine the plus 34 because it doesn't have a C. So rewrite the expression after you combine the C's together. Question number 4. Logan works as a florist. He earns $600 per week plus $5 for each floral arrangement he delivers. Remember, each means multiply. So the expression is going to be 600 plus 5 times F, where F stands for the floral arrangements. How much will Logan earn if he delivers 45 floral arrangements in 1 week? So you're going to plug in 45 for F, multiply it by 5, and then add 600. Solve 1 through 4. Pause your video until you're ready to move on. Okay, question number 5. A bike rental company charges $10 to rent a bike plus $2 for each hour. So notice my expression is going to be $10 plus 2 times h because it's 2 times the number of hours. So we're going to complete the chart by plugging in. So here they plugged in 1 where h is, multiply it by 2, and then add 10 to get your total cost. Then you're going to plug in 2. So you're going to write 10 plus 2 times 2 because you're plugging 2 into this expression. So you're going to have 10 plus 2 times 2 and then solve it. And then 10 plus 2 times 3 and then solve it. 10 plus 2 times 4 and then solve it. For question number 6, it says Olivia delivers packages. She earns $300 per week plus $6 for each package that she delivers. So my expression is 300 plus 6 times P, where P stands for the number of packages. How much will Olivia earn if she delivers 55 packages in 1 week? So you're going to plug in 55 for P, multiply by 6, and then add 300. Question number 7. Simon wrote the expression x minus 2 equals 7. Use opposite operation here to solve for x. That's step 1. Then it says choose yes or no to indicate whether if each expression below has the same value as x minus 2 equals 7. So once you figure out what x is, plug that number in for x and see if the sentence is true. Plug that number in for x, see if this sentence is true. So you're going to do that for each one. Pause your video until you're completely done with all of these problems. Okay, let's see how you did. On question number 1, we have 6s squared. We're plugging in 3. So 3 squared is 9 times 6 is 54. Remember, order of operation says I have to square it before I multiply. On question number 2, I have side length cubed. So 8 times 8 times 8. So 64 times 8 is 512 inches cubed. Question number 3, I can only combine the C's because those are called like terms. C's and C's, like apples and apples, are like terms. So my answer is going to be 100C plus 34. Question number 4, I plug in 45 for F, multiply it by 5, and I get 225. And then I add that to 600, so she would make $825. Question number 5. You should have 12, 14, 16, 18 by plugging in the number of hours, multiplying that by 2, and then adding 10. Okay, question number 6. We have 300 plus 6P. P stands for the number of packages, so I'm going to plug in 55. So I have 6 times 55 is 330, plus 300 is 630. On question number 7, using opposite operation, x is equal to 9. So I plug in 9 for x and see if it makes the expression true. A is no, B is yes, C is no, D is yes. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.